Alright guys, so in this first video is where I started off yesterday and finished off this pipe that I showed you guys at the end of the day yesterday. Finally got those connected, and the coworker finished the other part of it, and he started wiring up some of these units with the switches, and so did I. So this is what they look like. You've already seen these before with the flex and the pipes and the switches, and then this is, I don't even know what this is. This is the pipe that I worked on this morning, coming out of the other switch for another unit down at the end of the hallway, and finished this on the ceiling, which was kind of annoying because I had to find studs to screw to, and then just turned the corner, did 90, and then flexed into the unit, added the switches, and then this is just kind of a little, we're working in the basement, but this is just kind of a little view of what the job site looks like. It's kind of creepy and eerie, kind of feels like haunted at sometimes, just kind of like feels abandoned. But anyways, on to this next part, working on a water heater. So I had to drill a hole. This is in slow-mo if you're wondering, and got the pipe running down the wall, and that I have to finish tomorrow. I'm gonna add a plug next to this red water line, so I can plug in this circulator pump, which seems to be on all these new water heaters that I've been doing recently. So that'll be there, and this is coming out of the box down the wall. You saw the pipe coming down the wall, and this is the pipe coming out of the ceiling, going up to that box right there. So I just did like a 2.5 inch offset on both sides, rolled it, and then did a 90 and a back-to-back 90, so 90 and then a 90 with a kick on it going down the wall, and that should do it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. It would help me out, and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Wearing the new hoodie, which feels really great, and I forgot my code at work, so hopefully no one steals it, and I'll be able to grab that in the morning. So much stuff on my mind, but make sure to check out the description for social medias like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitch. And if you want to be notified when I upload new videos or live stream, mainly live stream, then click the notification bell. If not, then ignore this, and have a great rest of your day, guys. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out. And one more thing, guys, I have a video that I made yesterday. Actually, I have the clips that I have to edit together. But basically, there's a free way that you can financially support me, which would both earn us money. We'll upload that video as soon as I can. But if that's something you're interested in supporting me for free, it would help me out, and it would be great. So check that out. It'll be coming out soon, maybe by tonight or tomorrow. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.